Topic: Old buildings. Are there any old buildings you want to see in the future? Definitely. I'd love to visit some historical landmarks, especially ones that are rich in culture and history, like the Colosseum in Rome or the ancient temples in Egypt. I find that old buildings have a unique way of telling stories and holding memories. I'm fascinated by architecture and the history behind these structures, so I think it would be incredible to see them in person one day. Do you prefer living in an old building or a modern house? I think I'd prefer living in a modern house, mainly because of the convenience and functionality they offer. Modern houses tend to have better insulation, more efficient heating systems, and overall better energy performance. However, I do love the charm of old buildings and would love to have one as a second home, maybe a cozy apartment in a historical district. Do you think we should preserve old buildings in cities? Absolutely. Preserving old buildings is crucial because they're part of our cultural heritage. These buildings carry history, stories, and memories that future generations should be able to learn from. I also believe that integrating old architecture with modern design can create a unique and vibrant cityscape. However, it's important to balance preservation with the needs of a growing urban population. Have you ever seen old buildings in the city? Yes, I've seen several old buildings in my city. Some parts of the city are full of Victorian-era buildings, which have been beautifully maintained. I love walking around those areas because you can feel the history in the architecture. It's fascinating how these old structures have stood the test of time, and they add so much character to the city.